So, good afternoon, everyone. By the way, my name is Joshua Armabanag. I am the first reporter of Module 4, Lesson 2. So, today we're going to report about the frameworks and principles behind moral frameworks. So, now let's proceed to discuss some information about my assigned topic. So, virtue or character ethics. Virtue or character ethics. This text explains virtue ethics, which focuses on the character of the person performing an action, rather than the action itself, ethical duties, or consequences. It emphasizes the importance of possessing and living virtuously, identifying character traits, and understanding what kind of person one should be. Ethical behavior is defined as what a virtuous person would do in a given situation, aiming to develop similar virtues. Virtue ethics considers the entirety of a person's life, including experiences, emotions, and thoughts as influences on character development. It is described as an ethics of ideals and excellences promoting a well-functioning and flourishing human person. So, virtue or character ethics is a kind of moral standards of a human person like righteousness, goodness, morality, and so far and so on. Otherwise, based sa ako ang understanding, a virtue is a kind of a good quality or habit that shows high moral standards, like naga-define siya as a commitment na mubuhat ka og decision nga good or bad, and kabalusod ka mo avoid sa mga wrong decisions because you have a critical thinking nga naay moral standards. So, correct me if I'm wrong lang guys ha. Based on this ako ang learning and understanding. So, for example, you saw your friends inside the campus. Well, it is not time to go out because the class dismissal is 11:30 a.m. but it is already 8 a.m. pa. One of your friend inviting you to go out and do cutting class during class session. Pero, gidecline nimo ilahang request because you know already na wrong ilahang button or buttonon because you have a moral assessment of actions as a human. Even though lain sa buot sa imuhang friend kay wala ka ni sabay pero kanang tama gihapon imuhang gibuhat na decision kay every person naay lahi-lahi na moral and immoral assessments of actions. And also, as a human person, natay different kind of moral and immoral standards na gina-follow. Nara sa tao kung mabuhat ba siya og mali or tama sa isa ka senaryo. So siya na maka-decide ana kay naman tay lahi-lahi nga kinabuhi. So mo na to, thank you.